Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to download albums from Google Photos. So if you open Google Photos on your iPhone, go to Collections, Album, then you select some album, click at the three dots, and as you can see there is nothing download. We can also select photos, but we can only remove it or move it to the trash. We cannot download it. From your iPhone you can only share it using link. And the same situation on Android. We can open Google Photos, then go to Collections, Albums, and right here we can press and hold, nothing happened. We enter here, again we can share it, but we cannot download it. Right here we can again install, and again no download. So you need to use PC to save it. And let's move to PC. Open your browser, write Google Photos, then open first link. Now make sure that you use your correct account. You can add account or you can swipe to another one. And now this one is mine. Then let's move to the albums at the left side. And now select album what you want to save. So let's say this one. Click at the three dots and click download all. After that we have zip file. Right here we have our album, and inside of it we have pictures. Maybe you have more. So now just move it to your PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.